Mama akwaba wafrɛ me adwowa searching ebusua for mesrɛ and no first time I would ehwɛ me a mesrɛ na wa subscribe me a notification bell no so for more news. Sammy Gyamfi ono na oye CEO ewo Gold Board. Na ode ensem bi atodwa a ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ communities na ɔmo mine wɔ hɔ mekyerɛ ɔmo to gold wɔ hɔ no ɛsɛ sɛ development ɛkɔ hɔ yɛnti ensem Sammy Gyamfi aka
gade Sammy Gyamfi asɛm kuro ya nso abepie mu ano ɔse no kuro ni nyame anim nie sɛde communities ayotu ɛyɛ ɛfɔma gudi ɔhɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn enya ɛfɔma gudi no mu mfasoɔ ni bi hwɛ yɛatena Ghana ha tu diamond dankyɛmboɔ wɔ akwatia over 100 years akwatia upɛ Ghana kura anwe ne se a akwatia hey legends can
na woni be say be kro bia ye tu fan gudia so mo tu fan gudia ni wie pa na kro na dane ama
na den tena Johannesburg de anwe ne se
mi de minimo
I want to so mo tu afuma gudia ni bi
ane
anso mi de die nti a ye nkwa ye ma wemu de kwata kwakwa anwe ne se bibia ni anwe ne se
kwame baby kro mo tutu galamsey ni sei awura de ko bi kro mo anwe ne se you know
just I would bo kro mo de na ka so bi wa no nim ba bia
obi anim.
Hey, obi anim so over Samantha for. Okay. As Samantha for am me bia makwa fufure. What it galam say I going to say baha. Ateti kronite ntebe. Na e ara wosem. Ade ne yese e sika kokko. Sika big dankyambo. Ye wo bo ne wo bo. Ba we e dankyambo. Esombo. Ejika wo ade esombo de a. Ye
so nya fa so
hwe wo papa ye obrempon bi a ya adwene yentimi ntra omam nkase ye tufuma gudia nkuro bi so ama emia bi na nko na nwene se gota na yi monchimonka efi ne chese wo hu mpuntuo apomdi nsam na atofom na no hin bi ameye ni interview betna ha o se ni person je timi helicopter ene be fa gold no o mutimi ni come say gold ni mo du helicopter na e ba fom
na gold na mo tu
na anwene se Sammy Gyamfi se ye momoni biara se nkronkro a yetu agudie oso no yeduru a ye hu nsenkyerene se saasaso we nyame eche yagudie na wo de no to.
For me, ladies and gentlemen, the strongest reason to rethink the social license is a youth question. In our mining communities, young people see wealth leave their land every day. Yet too many do not see any path to decent work. And I believe just hearing from Apinto just made that point. Too many do not see any path to decent work, skills, ownership, and meaningful future. That contradiction is dangerous. It is not fair, and it is not sustainable. The social license cannot survive where the youth believe mining has no place for them except as casual laborers and bystanders, while others see them as troublesome agitators and security risk. The social license must therefore be reimagined as a development compact with the youth, a compact that integrates the youth in responsible mining through capacity building, creates sustainable jobs, supports local enterprise, opens services around production, and gives young people a stake in the future of mining. That is why mining communities must no longer be treated as land donors. They are the custodians of the resource. And therefore I submit very forcefully this afternoon that mining communities must be treated as development partners and
ebusuafo ensem way na Sammy Gyamfi de atodwa. Na Sammy Gyamfi, I put it to you, say you are a liar. You know how to do politics. You just know Ghanaians. You know, say, Ghana phone dream kwechi. NDC for, I am telling you people, say, you have studied how Ghanaians think. And amode a communicating. You are a liar. You just know how to do politics properly. You just know how to talk. Unim how I will say. You know how to steal people's hearts. Unim sweet talk. Sammy Gyamfi, and then I will be catch and say community no to go do on as I said development echo. Me who was my catch. And the Sammy Gyamfi why you saying yami. And I know community. Omunya e kran commercial pakem e de wakosi baby a wo kono. Hweka Sammy Gyamfi wudem. Sammy Gyamfi, who opposition no mesraw. Me, I know say Otifia. You think about and somehow can opposition. And at the unya to me, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama appointed. I was CEO and so the I know so what to you cry. Sammy, I am putting it to you, say you cry every day. Because and somehow kind of opposition. Any the NDC for more ya wa bemino and web ebra. Into Sammy Gyamfi, Adriana Jonas and Dawana Wodria. You know, say you are failing Ghanaians. Moko 2 years old. Akabaya 4 months and I said 3 months. Then when you're 2 years. I fail now be catcher and says communities no more your mining will honor. As I said, development alcohol. Sammy Gyamfi, gold board na mobile more better. Wakasa when to what's what on $6 billion gold. Sammy scan over here. What's a gold board no send a beya seed in benya modern keke. Just to keep the city strong. And I'm to gold board this is kind of baby no. What did you ma? Because the antiase and as Sammy Gyamfi, what they call Accra. Nya dako nya time in chima Accra. Accra time papa. Ina wrote ni na say. Inti samwati gold board. Na se when who say wa cotton 6 billion worth of gold. Na say as I said mining communities no. Development ekohodi Sammy Gyamfi ye donya me say asemi ya wake. Say 2028 ye ba betwaba na communities e wo Ghana ha omo mining wo ho communities a omo to gold wo ho no say development nko ho Sammy ntumi nya politics wo kro me ha bio Sammy Allah say 2028 one kasa waka say mining areas no say development echo because omo ho no mo ye mobo Ashanti region baby omo to gold western of crowd western of crowd enchina ne mpatem seshi boy so asenkregwa na ahia no omo se Ghana no omo nka seshi fo no western of no wan Ghana omo nka ho because omo ka Ghana ho a ankohene babo amanya ne ye fon te se de the cows den de dem no betena power FM keken kwase asem ncham mo nkoto aban ma NDC e wa abra mo nim se western north when it comes to moon roads when it comes to development amu ni bi from entry to friend say that there so nya na na do obeye mo nkwan ma mo a anka mo kwa de ka mo ka ho bi enso mo western north for mo ntena asensuye nyansa nto abapa mo ti NDC na mo di so ti Sammy Gyamfi e catch us we ti me ahu nyansa aka say mining areas no and as a communities no mo ti gold one e say o development ko ho a but modern says our promise no we making no be for failure and na 2028 aba ayensa Ghana ha wo nkwa ha na wo Sammy Gyamfi be say e catch us say seniors say why nyame a wo ye untouchable no hwe na mo ko opposition na one baby e wano and me din say mu ankyere because kaya no Ghana ha ye nkwa ha.
So Sammy Gyamfi say honorable Kojo Ponkroma, honorable Afenyoma case ni honorable Abna Osayasare, any breno, omo time, omo mpe na asem. Enti no omo ka gold board ho asem, gold board losses na omo yinke no, omo ka ho asem. Sammy Gyamfi say, ono na ma MPP echo opposition. Enti MPP for ye tu ye ni esi ne so, epese ye say di na akwe asa wa fa bibia di wo form. And clearly, we a part of grand scheme wa Sammy Gyamfi epese ofaso na losses na gold board ayinke no obedwane afiri ho na keta asehye project no a ekos go gold board no wakata so na isi tie Sammy Gyamfi osi a emabunu bi anisi emabunu bi ewo spaces so no ensem a woka fa honorable Kojo Oponkrom honorable Afenyoma Akene abena ose asare ho uwi abra me ba be make 3 solid points to expose Sammy Gyamfi na mahunu say akwa no oyi criminal tie no wi abrane ani nkom
usual you see
there is a deliberate disinformation agenda against Sammy Gyamfi and the Gold Board by people who think that Sammy Gyamfi is the reason why, Sammy Gyamfi and others are the reason why they are in opposition. So it is time to pay Sammy Gyamfi back. And the leaders and champions of this disinformation campaign are the likes of Afenyo Maken, Abna Osea Sare, Kwejo Ponkroma, you know them. So when you hear them say anything, please come and check with us because none of the things they say is true. But you see on the floor of parliament, they are covered by parliamentary immunities. If they made those allegations against me in the media, I'll sue them, and they know it, and they can't. And they know that if they invited me to parliament and they televise it, they will be exposed that what they are saying are lies. And that is why they cannot invite. And they are saying they want a special committee to do a probe. You have a committee on economy, a committee on finance. The Kwejo Ponkroma is ranking member for the committee of economy. Intikayeka say, I will say, okay. Now Monday, you bring an invitation. Then I come. The committee wants to delve into gold bond losses. Now, GTV afa. Then we see who is truthful. But they will not. They will say that, majority is blocking their motion. But why won't they block it? Because it's a useless motion. You already
Abusia yenja abetwa yebehu akokoro nkase yo. Sammy Gyamfi. Check point 1. Sammy Gyamfi tie ni. Honorable Kwejo Ponkroma. Honorable Afenyo Markins ni honorable Abna Osea enye wa fenu omumu bia omu nyina ebra omabo in politics wo Sammy Gyamfi umbo even 5% in their respective careers. Sammy Gyamfi achievement they have under their belt. Wo Sammy Gyamfi, you cannot boast of even 5%. Honorable Kwejo Ponkroma and honorable Afenyo Markins, you are in the same law of profession with them. Achievement omu landmark cases are omedi ni oma yabwa. The legal jurisprudence, the legal system in Ghana, Sammy Gyamfi, wunye even 1%. Case Ben watching with that. Honorable Kwejo Ponkroma has a whole law firm. A law firm with international reputation. Law firm with good image. Our fan microphone omoye adwuma. Oh, before so be good board CEO, na see you so. Positions was so 10 PRO, KNUST, 10 President, KNUST. Kwejo Bonsu KMA PA eno ne ade a we bedi gold board CEO because the politics are funti obi ani wo time MPC mpanifo na agbo mudinu obi ani wo our time and you don't matter in the scheme of things. Wo MPP enyo na am ye opposition no MPP for ana ankoto aba wana na wo Ghana na adwene wo fie a wo ka asem bia wo beti agina so akoto aba. MPP for na akoto aba. So get off your high horses. In the scheme of things, you don't matter. MPs, they are raising issues because they have the constitutional responsibilities and duties to protect the public purse. And as a public officer, you pay taxes, they be every week be advancing millions of US dollars at the amount did go to job. Your duties, your responsibilities, so hold you account. More accounting for your stewardship, and on that basis, no more can go board as them, or more can we see you no as them, and you as a person, cause and you are fenu mubia. Or mubia anywhere, bra or my borrow, what even 10% was Sammy Gyamfi. So, nobody, obia no time. Until the attempt to say, Obama personal, Obe created that in Ronald's impression, so almost can't go board as him because almost timing. Almost can't go board as him because when I'm MPP co-position.